order blocks. Now, how many of you have heard about order blocks before? Anyone? Yes, no,
No, sir. No, sir.
no. Okay. Kushal, Sangeeta, anything, Hans. So, order blocks are key supply and demand zones. What are supply and demand zones? What is a demand zone? What is demand? Demand क्या है? Demand is you want to buy something. That is demand. What is supply? Is you want to sell something. लोग सप्लाई करते हैं दूध की, तो व्हाट आर दे डूइंग? दे आर सेलिंग. दूध की सप्लाई करता है, कोई सब्जी की सप्लाई करता है, वट एवर, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ सेलिंग. एंड डिमांड इज if you want to buy something. So that is the literal meaning of demand and supply zones. And order blocks are nothing but strategic demand and supply zones. They're like demand and supply zone on steroids. So they are very, if you can identify them like FVG, they're also a very profitable concept. If you can understand how order blocks work, how order blocks are formed, then life will become easy for you. And that should be your goal in trading, that you should try and make things easy for you as much as you can. So whatever we have learned so far will be used in one single strategy when we will start you know trading in live accounts. So nothing is of waste. Don't think from the starting candle bars to trend, then trend lines, then break of structure, then FVG, you know, order blocks. We will combine everything and make a very powerful strategy that will be, for us, that will be like, a ब्रह्मास्त्र कि सारी स्ट्रेटेजी मैंने लगा दी है, उसके बाद भी अगर माई ट्रेड इज नॉट वर्किंग आउट, दैट्स फाइन. Because trading is a game of probabilities. Not every trade is supposed to work. You know, it's only a game of probabilities. And the moment you know, you can accept that fact, it will be better off for you. If you don't force yourself on the market कि मेरी ट्रेड क्यों नहीं चली. मैंने तो सब कुछ पूरा गणित लगाया मैंने यार. मैंने एफईजी भी देखा, मैंने ट्रेंड लाइन भी देखी, मैंने री एंट्री भी करी, सब कुछ करा, लेकिन उसके बाद भी मार्केट ने मेरे को स्टॉप आउट कर दिया. दैट्स हैपन्स, एंड दैट विल हैपन. दैट हैपन्स टू इवन द बेस्ट ऑफ द ट्रेडर्स. बट like I said, it's a game of probabilities. You need to take your chances. If you have a good strategy, then more often than not you will end up on the winning side. So, and the risk reward that we are going to use, which is 1:3, you don't need to win every trade. Even 50% of the trade, you will be massively profitable. Now let's look into this order block. Order blocks are zones where large number of buy sell orders have been placed. Just like FVG, they are also an indicator that smart money is now in action. And as a trader, our job is to follow smart money. Retail traders are dumb money because 95% retail traders fail. So it's safe to say that they are dumb money. And smart money is your banks and your institutions. They are the ones who have all the money in the world, and they are the ones who run the show. They are the ones who are the short caller. Now, unlike the FVG, where there is a three candle formation and the wicks don't meet, that is an FVG, but order block is different. Order block is the candle before the impulse move starts. Whenever there is a big move, so the candle before that, the previous candle, so from the body, from the wick, from the down wick to the up wick, that is the complete order block. This is your order block because there were so many orders that have been placed at this point that this has now become a kind of an order block. So remember, I told you in the last class, these institutions, they are buying in bulk. So let's say they have 100K orders at this order block here, so 100K. Now the market can only fill 50% of their orders, 50K, because for these number of buy orders, there has to be the equal number of sell orders. Only then this order will get filled. And unfortunately for them, since they are buying in such bulk quantity, there are no equal sellers present at this time. So what happens is the price will come back to this area, pick up the rest of the orders, and then go up again. So same like FEG, same concept, but instead of the three candle formation, in this one, there is just a single candle. The single candle, the last candle before the move, and the criteria in this one is that this candle should close below the candle before. So as you can see here, this candle here, this order block has closed below it. इसके नीचे ये close हुआ है. So whenever there is a scenario like this, you can be pretty sure that this order block is a strong one, because it has taken out the low. इसके नीचे का जो low था, in the next part we will learn why is closing, but for now you should remember that an order block to be valid, it should close below the previous candle and there should be an impulsive move from the next candle onwards. So ये जो कैंडल है हमारी, इसने क्लोज किया इस बड़ी कैंडल के नीचे, बड़ी रेड कैंडल के नीचे इसने क्लोज किया. देखो इसका क्लोज यहाँ पे है. रिमेंबर दिस सेज टेक आउट. सो टेक आउट मीन्स कि इसने इसको नीचे तक गई, तो इट्स टेकन आउट द लो ऑफ दिस कैंडल. एंड देन there was a big move upwards. This candle here, look, यहीं पे मिल गया एक. So this candle here, this red one, so this was the candle before the impulsive move started, and it even closed below the previous candle. इस कैंडल से नीचे इसने क्लोज किया है. So that's first scenario. Second scenario is it formed an FVG. FVG is a fair value gap. ठीक है, FVG बनाया, and then on the top of that another confirmation, it gave us a break of structure. So in this scenario, all the strong order block requirements are fulfilled. This red candle closed below the previous candle, then start of the impulsive move, and then what happened? There was an FVG that was formed along the way, which led to a valid break of structure. So all three conditions have been met. So what do we say? The next time the price comes, you can be pretty sure it goes up. Look what happened then. The price came back, and then the price immediately started rejecting and going to the higher side. प्राइस नीचे आ रहा था, नीचे आ रहा था. जैसे ही आपके ऑर्डर ब्लॉक में आया, जैसे ही डिस्काउंट जोन में आया, उसके बाद प्राइस स्टार्टेड ट्रेंडिंग हायर. यू नो, सो this is what happens. This is the power of order block. You know, so many of my strategies I can align here. First of all, I can see a valid order block. Then I can see an FVG. Look, order block को भी अगर 1 मिनट के लिए हम भूल जाएं तो द प्रीवियस स्ट्रेटेजीज आई टोल्ड यू कि ऑर्डर ब्लॉक को मार्क कर दो. ये जो आपका ऑर्डर ब्लॉक था, आपने इसको मार्क कर दिया ऐसे, और look what happened. Price came back to your order block and then gave you a risk to reward of 1:7. Even though I'm showing you the order block now, but previous concept, नया concept याद करके पुराने concepts नहीं भूलने हैं. There are so many things that are aligned here. You know, previous resistance became support. First concept that I taught you, you know. उसके बाद the trend continuation. So we were in a bullish trend. There was a break of structure. We need to re-enter the market. How do we re-enter the market? We use Fibonacci. So Fibonacci retracement. अगर आपने ऐसे किए तो look, where is the price? 61%. This is what I told you, that you know, whenever the price is in a high trend or a downtrend for that matter, do not enter the trade blindly. Do not enter the trade at the wrong spots. Wait for the price to retrieve. I mean, there was an FVG that was your confirmation, and then Fibonacci retracement is absolutely at 50 to 61%. You know, you can just mark your rectangle before the price came here. जब प्राइस यहां था तभी आपने यहाँ पे रेक्टेंगल मार्क कर देना था इस एफवीजी का और इस 61% की रिट्रेसमेंट का. इस पूरा जोन अलाइन हो रहा है. देर आर मोर देन वन कन्फ्लुएंसेस. एक से ज्यादा कंफर्मेशन है यहाँ पे. एक एफवीजी की कंफर्मेशन है, एक प्रीवियस सपोर्ट की कंफर्मेशन है, प्रीवियस रेजिस्टेंस रादर. सो विच has now become a support. So previous resistance has now become a support. So price आया और उसने आपको टैग किया आपके एफवीजी में, and then it went higher, giving you a risk to reward of 1:6. I mean, this is very easy. You know, time and again, I can spot these things, you know, with my eyes closed. But you have to understand how things work. This is a bullish market. You don't want to take a sell trade here. You just want to buy. And how do you buy? You use your tools, which I've given you. You know, previous resistance becomes support, and then Fibonacci retracement, 61, FVG, break of structure. Even you can use a trend line. You know, trend line में अगर यहाँ पे यूज करूंगा 3-4 टचेज, उसके बाद लुक, ट्रेंड लाइन जैसी ब्रेक हुई, प्राइस वापस ट्रेंड लाइन के पास आया और ऊपर चला गया. Trading is not a complicated business. It's just that we complicate it by taking the wrong trades, by buying at places we shouldn't, by selling at places we shouldn't. Coming back to the order block पे प्राइस आया, टच किया और ऊपर चला गया. This is what happens when you combine smart money concept. Smart money concept समझ में आ गए तो trading is not difficult. You know, trading is very easy. Look here, the price was in a downtrend and then we see an FVG because the wicks of these two candle do not meet, they do not overlap with each other, और हमने एफवीजी मार्क किया होता तो प्राइस हमारे एरिया पे आया और चला गया. You won't even notice when profit is, being made. तुम सिर्फ ट्रेड लगा के छोड़ दो मार्केट को. Don't just sit there waiting for the price to come to your area. You should trust the process. You should know what is going on. If you can't trust the process, you will never make money. When we plant, you know, trees plant करते हैं तो उसमें एक सीड, वी सो अ सीड, हम एक सीड ग्राउंड में डालते हैं. ठीक है ना. लेट से एक आम का पेड़ लगाया आपने घर पे. सबके घर में कोई ना कोई तो पेड़ होगा, किसी का गमले में, किसी का जमीन में. तो जब तुम उस पेड़ को लगा देते हो, यू ट्रस्ट, आप ट्रस्ट करते हो ना कि ये बड़ा होगा. आप डेली खोद के तो नहीं देखते ना उसको, या डेली उसको खोद देते हो चेक करने के लिए कि यार ये बड़ा क्यों नहीं हो रहा. ऑब्वियसली इट विल टेक टाइम बिकॉज यू हैव टू फॉलो द प्रोसेस. फॉलो द प्रोसेस गाइज, फॉलो द फ्रेमवर्क. डू नॉट शो योर इम्पेशंस, ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस. एंड सेम वे, अगर आम का पेड़ लगाया है तो डेली खोद के कोई नहीं देखता है कि यार बड़ा क्यों नहीं हो रहा. वो जब उसका बड़ा होना होगा तभी बड़ा होगा. 3 महीने में किसी काम नहीं लगते, टाइम लगता है. सो बट स्टिल इफ यू कांट सी द रिजल्ट्स, इट डजंट मीन कि रिजल्ट नहीं है. रिजल्ट्स आर देयर, बट इट्स नॉट द टाइम दैट यू कैन विजिबली सी द रिजल्ट्स. डेली खोद के देखोगे उसको, पौधे को, तो खराब हो जाएगा, उसकी जड़ें खत्म हो जाएंगी. इसीलिए सेम वे, अगर आपको पता है कि एफवीजी काम करते हैं मार्केट में, तो उनको प्लेस करके छोड़ दो. सेल ऑर्डर लगा दो जिसमें आपका स्टॉप लॉस आपका लगा हुआ है, टेक प्रॉफिट आपका लगा हुआ है. ये आपकी एंट्री है, ये आपकी एंट्री है, ये आपका एसएल है, और ये आपका टेक प्रॉफिट 1:3. इसमें तो 1:7 आया है, बट इफ यू even try for 1:3, there is no problem. Now let me see another order block. Now ये जो कैंडल है, this closed higher than the previous candle. इस प्रीवियस कैंडल से इसने ऊपर क्लोज किया है. ठीक है ना. दिस वन, द लिटिल रेड वन. तो उसके बाद देयर हैज बीन अ फेयर वैल्यू गैप. अ फेयर वैल्यू गैप था, प्राइस आया. देयर इज नो कंफर्मेशन ऑफ ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर हेयर, बट दैट्स फाइन. यू हैव one confirmation that it closed above the previous candle. Second one, it gave you an FVG. So the price came back and then retraced, displaced downwards. And then you got the break of structure here. उसके बाद यहाँ पे इसने break of structure दिया है, market structure shift rather, और उसके बाद price जो है दोबारा नीचे चला गया. Now let me give you a hack of how you can spot these order blocks. Go back to your indicator, smart money indicator. Go to the settings. Into the settings section, you will see an option of internal order blocks and swing order blocks. Just tick on the swing order blocks and you will be able to then see the order blocks. If you want to go in internal order blocks as well, you can do that too, but I would suggest only stick to swing order blocks for now. Now once you have done that, order blocks will be automatically marked for you in the screen. I don't need this functionality of this indicator because I can spot them with my naked eye. I have now been into the market for that long that I don't need assistance from this indicator. So what we'll do now is we will just close the session for now and we will meet again on Tuesday morning. I'm going to end this meeting now.